Hi everyone, Jacqueline here, and I have my TRX attached to a door. I'm going to give you a quick little tip on how easy it is to put the two handles if you have a traditional TRX. The new ones have a mechanism by which, like a strap webbing here, so that you can't hurt yourself and you can do everything single-armed just using one. You can just let the other one hang. Now if you have a traditional TRX, an older model TRX, you're just going to face the TRX, you're going to take your right handle, take it through the left triangle, grab it with your left hand, take the right handle now, again, take it through the left, and then you're going to pull it tight so that you have a knot and it's not going to let go and you're not going to fall. Always test it first. I've seen it happen. It's not pretty. So just wanting you to be sure that you have the proper way of putting it together.